warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable supervisors and the honorable examiners. Firstly, let me introduce myself. I am Samsia from English Education Study Program, Language and Art Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Jambi University, 2021. And this opportunity, I want to present my research proposal with the title Student Perception on the Use of WhatsApp Application for Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. So, I will start talking about chapter 1, which is about introduction. There are some points in this chapter 1. This about background of the research question, research purpose, and significance of the research. In the background of this research, first I will talk about the impact of COVID-19 in the world of education. Regarding the impact of the spread of the COVID-19 virus and the world of education, it requires educators and students to be able to quickly adapt to existing changes. Learning in the network or online is learning that uses a system without direct face-to-face between teachers and students, but is carried out online using the internet network. WhatsApp is often used by teachers and students as an alternative in the online learning process to communicate in learning by using existing tutors. To optimize distance or online learning, it is necessary to have activities that utilize applications and learning media by a teacher. This WhatsApp can help students to build confidence and motivate them to learn. Based on facts and the results of initial interviews around September with students of one junior high school in Kota Jambi, students said that the WhatsApp application media was an alternative feature used in continuing the online learning process. Based on above background, the researchers is interested in conducting a study with the title Student Perception on the Use of WhatsApp Application for Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. And the next point is research question. My research question is, what are the student perception on the use of WhatsApp application for online learning during the COVID-19? And the purpose of this research is to investigate student perception on the use of WhatsApp application for online learning during COVID-19 pandemic. And the last one is significance of the research. There are three significance of the research. The first one for the research, the second for students, and the third for teachers. Next, I will continue to talk about chapter 2, about literature review. First, I will talk about perception concept, and I will talk about online learning, and I will talk about learning media and WhatsApp, and the last previous studies. So next I will continue to talk about the chapter 3, about about research methods. So I designed my research with quantitative approach, and the method that I use the descriptive method. And research setting, this research will be conducted in January 2022 in one of junior high school in Kota Jambi. And for population and sampling techniques, the population in this study is 337 students of the 8th grade of one junior high school in Kota Jambi. And the sampling method use the professional random sampling techniques. In total of sample of 76 students. And for research variable, there are two variables in my research. The first one is the independent variable in this study is the student's perception of using WhatsApp application, and the second is the dependent variable is the online learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the data collection techniques, I use two techniques. Primary data, I use questionnaire, and secondary data taken from Education Office of Kota Jambi and Junior High School in Kota Jambi at place of research will conducting. For the research instrument, the instrument that will be used in this research is questionnaire using the Likert scale. So as we can see from the table, I was adapted from the other research. The first indicator is learning English using the WhatsApp application, among 11 statements, and implementation of the use WhatsApp in online learning English, among 3 statements, and the last suggestion for using the WhatsApp application in learning English, 2 statements. Next, about validity and reliability of the questionnaire. First one, validity test. Respondents in the validity and reliability test were 10 respondents with a total of 16 questions. And reliability, the questionnaire is reliable if a person's answer to statement regarding the consistency of answer is tested repeatedly on different samples. Finally, talk about data analysis. In this study, the data will be analyzed quantitatively, descriptive, statistical analysis. There are several stages in analyzing the data in this study. First, after the result of the questionnaire have been collected, the researchers will sort the only data left behind. After that, the researchers will present in the form of a table which is analyzed SPSS windows. So I think this all enough. Thank you for listen my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.